So, dear children, let's rewind what we have learned about MS Word in our earlier class, that is class 4. How to take MS Word? First, you have to click on Start button, right? Next, you have to select all programs. Then, on that, you have to click on Microsoft Office. Then, what you have to do? You have to select Microsoft Office Word. You can see your Microsoft Word window. Okay, this is how your window look, and your window have 7 tabs. Okay, there are 7 tabs in MS Word. First one is Home tab, the next one is Insert, Page Layout tab, then Reference tab, then Mailing tab, then Review tab, and the last one is View tab. These are the 7 tabs in Microsoft Office Word. Okay. Our first topic is formatting comments. This topic is a revision of what you have learned in your class 4. So let's revise. There are 3 main formatting commands, that is B, I and U. B for bold, I for italics and U for underline. Bold means if you are writing something in an MS Word, or if you are typing, writing means typing, okay? If you are typing something in MS Word, if you want that letter in a darker way, you can click on bold, okay? And if you want your writing in a very slanting manner, slanting to the right, you can use italics. And if you want your text in, if you want it in an underline for your text, you can use U. So let's check how to use these things in Word. Okay. First take MS Word, and now I'm writing there hi everyone. Okay, and I'm going to change this word into bold. So first I have to select it and click on B. See here, look here how your word looks. It look darker. And if you don't want it, you have to select it and click again B. Okay, if I want it into italics, same thing, select and click on I. So your writings become in a very slanting manner, and if you don't want, click on I again. If you want underline for your text, you have to select it and click on U.
Our next topic is changing font and font size. Font means if you are writing or if you are typing something in MS Word, and if you want your typing in a very different manner, that is in a very different writing way of writing, so you can use font. See, in this you can see different types of writings. That is, if we are writing it in English there are different ways of writing it, right? In very slanting or in very straight manner, like that you can select fonts. So the font will be appearing in Home tab. Okay, the red mark that I have shown here, that is, it is in Home tab. And in the Home tab you can see here a blue writing Calibri. This is one of the font, and beside it or near to it you can see an arrow. You have to click on it and you can see different types of fonts here. Times New Roman, Century Gothic. You have to select it and your writing will appear in that font. So let's check the step. First, what you have to do, you have to select the text, that is, you have to select your typed text. Then what you have to do, you have to go to Home tab and you have to click on the font, and near that you have an arrow, and click on that and select the font. Now let's check how it will look in our MS Word program.
See here, now I'm selecting the font Algerian. See how it looks. Again, I'm selecting it and clicking on that arrow, font arrow, and giving Times New Roman. You can see the change in both the fonts, right? So this is how it looks.